All right, so taking and managing trades just got easier for you and for me both. Okay, so listen and listen well. Now, listen up. The average trader's day goes as follows: open the chart, analyze and guess the direction based on whatever bullshit they learn from whoever they freaking paid. Take the trade, lose, take the trade again, lose, take the trade again, lose, takes the opposite side because I try buy, but now I'm selling and it's not working out. Account blown. That's the literal cycle that happens every day for 90% of the retail trading population. Okay. Now, apart from this, people that have a lot of money, sure, they can afford to do this and they can, end up making money later. But for most of you guys, this is the case every single day. Yeah. Guess the direction, take the trade. Guess the direction, take the trade. Why do you need to guess? It's because the people that taught you don't know jack shit about direction. They're not confident themselves because they are only experienced in scalping 10-minute volatility spikes, which is nothing. Real traders don't deal with that stuff. And I have every reason to say this and I have every right to say this because I've spoken to a lot of people in this industry and scalping is not it. Scalping is definitely not it. All right. So I'm going to show you a better way. Okay. I think you know where I'm going with this. I am going to show you a better way. All right. The Trade Easy application. Now, the Trade Easy application, right, is an application that is designed to bridge the gap between retail and institutional traders. Okay. So it's giving you the power to craft your own trading model with the abundance of information available to you. All right. Now, this way, you are able to create strategies unique to you and nobody else. Now, with the daily and weekly bias also given to you, including the entry points, your analysis time just got cut down by 99%. Yes, 99%. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is. And your success rate, well, I don't need to tell you that now, do I? You've seen my success rate. You've seen the success rate of the trades that I've been taking with the algorithms. All right. So with that said, let's go and let's take a look at how an average Trade Easy user will be taking trades on a live chart. Yes, let's go and take a look at, let's say, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin yesterday, just to show you exactly how this works. Now you can see that on the left side, we have my dashboard here, giving us the CRP profile, daily bias, weekly bias. So let's go to Bitcoin, yeah, for yesterday's price action. And let's go hit replay mode right there. Okay. Now what do we have? We have the daily bias being bullish. Okay. We're the 1 hour. We have the daily bias being bullish. Now what you're doing is you're waiting and listen up. Listen closely. Okay. You got the bias. It's bullish. You got the CRP profile. You know that Asia is manipulation here. London is distribution up. And the New York session to the PM session is also a continuation to reversal. You know that. So what other analysis is there for you to do? Nothing. Now all you have to do is look for the entry. Here's your stop loss region. Here's your take profit region. Yeah, you can go for these other highs as well. That's up to you, but the algorithm is suggesting this for an easy experience. Okay, so now we'll remove the algorithm here, entry algorithm. Let's go to the 5-minute chart and let's see, using my teachings, how exactly you could have gotten this trade. All right, let's play this forward. Yeah, now we're looking for inverse gap, right? So what's this? Small gap right here that provided a reaction in this candle. So waiting for price to trade through it there, and you want to enter in it. So what you're going to do is you're going to do this. Stop loss is here or here. So this is conservative. I'm sorry, this is aggressive. This is conservative. So me, I go aggressive. Okay. And this is your suggested take profit. Okay. So at this point here, this is where I'm going to be taking partials and moving to break even. This is where you're going to have your full take profit. Okay. And this is the result. Now, see, how could you have stacked on this? And before you're thinking about stacking, you have to make sure that the volume is on your side, right? So we can see that as price was coming down, we saw the volume spiking. So we know that when there is a change in the state of delivery, when an inverse fair value gap forms, you are safe to go long. Okay. Now when you check that, you will see how price easily moved higher. Right. So this is what I mean by how trade easy is making your trading easy. Okay. Now let's remove all of this and let's fast forward to today's price action on Bitcoin, and you can see that the daily bias is bearish, weekly bias is bearish. Yeah. And this is the setup over here. But the algorithm is designed to give you a setup after 3 o'clock. Okay, after 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to take into account various different variables. Okay, so now what you can do is you can go to the 30-minute, and again, remember, for today's price action, for today's trading, you already got the bias, you already got the profile for the day done. All you're looking for is an entry. Now, if it was me, if I was doing this manually, right, because now I rely on my algorithm. So if I was doing this manually and I wanted to take a London open trade here, yeah, what I can do is I see that price takes out the Asian range low, okay? And after taking out the Asian range low, I can see inducement over here, liquidity, okay? When price takes that out, I want to see if we are taking this out with increasing volume, okay? So look at this high right there and look at the volatility spike there. Can you see it? Can you see the volatility spike here? See here. Now listen carefully. I'm tripping you up. This volatility spike, if you compare it here, where was the volume? It actually decreased. Yeah. Or did it increase? I'm confusing you, right? Look closely. Take this one there. Did the volume increase or decrease? Volume decreased by the time we took out this high. So then, if that is the case, how do we go about it? Can I still think of taking the trade? No. Okay. Now, if I consider this high and this high there, okay, look at this high here, right there. And if I look at this high right there, can you see that volatility spike? Retracement. Now, when we retrace and when I trade through, yeah, I'm going to go to the lower time frame. I'm going to check and see inside of this block, do I have an inverse gap inside of this block? Okay. So trade down. Here's a reaction to this gap. Failed. That is the entry. Okay. With that volatility spike. So how do I know to go down? Well, breaking below the Asian range, inducement. We have the volume spike. Everything is there to say that yes, I can go short. And if I do go short, this is how I would go short. If I were trading this manually, and I would go for a minimum of 1:3, like so. Okay. So can you see, just like that, trading is easy and it can definitely be easy for you as well. Okay. So with that said, I hope you found this insightful. I hope you truly understand and appreciate just how much time and effort this will save you, right? And if you are interested in getting the algorithm, a set of algorithms rather, do comment 50, because if you do comment 50, you're going to get 50% off of the lifetime offer, which by the way is only available to the next 5 people. So with that said, good luck in good trading. Bye bye.